recording. Okay, so I was here in Framer community and I found this free portfolio and agency template by Biggie Gorank, this gentleman, and I went to it and I find this section. This section work as a link. Those are links. This looks very nice on mobile, very nice on desktop, but on mobile doesn't look that very nice, because if we go to the mobile version, let's toggle the mobile version, and here let's make this one small. And here the first this works as a link, but now if we click, we have 2 clicks, then this one is clickable. So for my implementation, I'm not gonna use this 2-click setup. I'm just gonna make it 1, and this one will be part of this one, and this one will be left or right or something like this. So let's go back to the mobile, to the desktop version. Okay, and let's go here. So let's start with the frame. This frame, okay, let's make a text. Text goes here, and let's insert an image. Let's insert an image, and the image will be here. Let's make it a little bit small. So this is the setup we need, so I'm gonna click all of that, and let's create a component. Let's call it link image preview. Okay, where are they? Okay, we don't have it, so wait. Okay, so let's start with the text again. Text goes here, and let's insert the image again. Okay, let's see, we have the variant, the image, and the text, and we have an icon. Icons, let's get the material icon. Okay, material icon, image, and the text. So what I need, I'm gonna make this one a layout, and this one, the image needs to be position absolute. This one needs to have, let's give it a fixed height, 150. And on the parent, we're gonna go and make the overflow visible. Let's go and get an image fill, just an image for the example. Okay, this is open. No, I want to use a plugin. Let's get Unsplash. I just want image. Let's get this one. Okay, why? I think the Z index. Okay, so make this one. Let's close this one. This one looks here. Let's see. This one looks like so, and this one text. This one needs to be a variable, plain text. Yes, title. Okay. And this one needs to be, let's make it also variable, icon name, and this one needs to be an image also, image. So I need also the background for this element. the fill for the background, the color, let's call it background color. And here we also have this left to right, and after that we have this one, this one, this one. So this and this needs to be inside of their own stack. And let me get another fill. This one needs to be here, this one needs to be absolute, and which one has the relative? Okay, I think this one. Okay, let's make 0 from all sides to fill the parent. Top, this one needs a higher z index. Let's go to style and let's give it a higher z index, like so. This one, the relative, okay, because I'm gonna animate this one. And let me get, and for this one, the starter version, okay, I'm gonna go to transform and transform the scale. This needs to be 0. And let's get the other variant. This one, see, on hover. So I'm just gonna use the hover state instead of using another variant. Okay, let's get the image. Let's make the scale to be 1. And let's go to the frame. Let's give it a color to see it animate. And here needs to be 100%. Let's see. Okay. It looks like an image, but it's okay. Okay. And for here, let's preview and see. Okay. Oh, look at this. It's close. And let's go this one. Rotate this one, just the animate from left to right. Okay, let's see the transition. Let's see. Opacity visible. Let's don't have transition. Here we go. We have the transition. Let's make this one. Let's see. Okay. Let's make it a little bit slower. And let's go here on the frame. Let's get the transition of the frame. The bouncing, because okay, let's continue. Let's change this one to a linear gradient. No, linear gradient. The linear gradient. What is this one? Linear gradient. Now let's see. It looks close, it looks nice, and we need to change. After that, what we need, this one needs to be, let's make it a square, so 244, not 24, and this one 245. And for this, maybe okay, let's make this one relative. So here, okay, let's spin this one here, minus 50%. Minus 50%. No, minus 25. Minus is plus. No, minus 75%. 100%. Minus 75%. Okay. And this one, let's change this one here first. Name, no. Okay. Let's leave it. And here it gonna rotate a little bit. Rotate 45%. No, 45 degree. No, 45 degree. Not minus, but okay. Let's preview. Okay, let's go out. Let's get this out of here. Let's get one of, and let's make this one a stack to get all of them one under the other, and let's give them a little bit of gap, like a 50. Let's create a frame, put it here. Let's duplicate it and put it, Control C, Control V, and let's go to this one and let's make height to fit. Okay, now this one, let's make it not, this is the height, let's make it fill. The fill, okay, let's see what happened when we're filling. Get all of those. I want the fill like so, and let's preview. Okay, this is what I don't want to use the fill, because those is, so what I'm gonna do, let me get all of that, Control Alt, just one stack, and let's give this stack a 1200, not this one. Let's give it a max width, not a min width, max width, a max width of 1200 px. Okay, let's preview. Okay, because of, okay, okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go here, and this one needs to be closer. Okay, let's see the image. Okay, the image, let's change the image. From the left, let's make it 50% from the left, and let's make this also a 50%. now this will looks nice, even if it look here not pretty. Okay, it looks nice, but here looks ugly, but it's okay because of the size of this one. So this one is 50%. Okay, let's see. It looks very nice. Let's see this one. Let's go for this one. Let's make 100% from the left, and this one will inherit. No, has its own version. Let's see. 100%. Let's see. Okay, it looks very nice, but this one is way down. Okay, need the one fill and this one fill. But there's something happens here, and this one is, we need to make it also a link. So let's make all the variant a link to this, link to the home page. So after that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a new variant. This variant will work on mobile. We have the frame. I don't need the frame to animate, and the stack. So I need the image to be here, and let's make the scale to go back to 1. Change the position of the image to be relative, and let's make this one. Okay, this inside the flex will fill, and the height will fill it also. No, if this fill is this fill, no. Let's give this a fixed, maybe 100 pixels. And after that, okay, after that, this one is huge. Let's make it 24, and this one also be 24. This is the preview, and let's get the padding from all sides to be 24, but this is not good because of the height is fixed. Let's make it fit the content, but this one, okay, fit the content. The height of this one, let's make it 64. Okay, let's preview. Close. Okay, what we're gonna do here, start from the image not having the opacity. Let's make the opacity of the image 0, and on the variant hover, let's why this image has opacity of 0, and the image here needs to have an opacity of 1. Okay, and here the image needs to maintain the opacity. Looks clean. And let's go and get the phone version. I'm gonna change it to be mobile, and all of them to be mobile, all of them to be mobile, and all of them to be mobile. Let's see, nothing happened, and this one is clickable. And let me preview the cursor. Okay, the cursor is working. Okay, if we want, we can make this one frame has a stack, this stack has this one, so where are they? I want the gap. Let's increase the gap to 64. Okay, looks nice. And you can the text, you can do whatever you want with the text. Let's make it 48. This one has this one. In the mobile, let's make it small to be 36, and so on. Let's see how this one looks in mobile. Looks nice. Okay, I think this is it. Okay.